just got a call that there's a van stuck on the Smithsonian Butte Road on the north end near Rockville. So we're headed up there in the Jeep to get him out of the ditch. Holy smokes. Hello.
I got myself in a pickle.
Yeah. We'll get you out of it though. That's not a problem. Okay.
There's a big rock underneath. I didn't really want to mess with it. I tried to dig out a little bit, but there's like a big rock in between the two tires, so I didn't really want to up more than it is.
Okay, so turn the wheel to the left. There we go. Okay, that's about that. You're gonna want to hold it right there. When I pull you out, it's gonna be a little bit when you're on top. You're gonna be slowing down. Brake. Yeah. We'll just,
Put off the brake?
yep, take the foot off the brake, and we'll just do this nice and easy. We'll just pop you right up here. And so when we got there, the van was in the ditch. She told me she was in the ditch, but she didn't tell me it was laying on its side and had body damage, but that wasn't really a factor for what we were doing. Had a little struggle getting the right angle on it because of how narrow the road was and the drop off, but finally I decided just to drive over the bank and get it out of there. That ended up working pretty good.